This is how to make an Instagram business account. If you haven't already, just go to the App Store, look up Instagram, update, and install the Instagram app. Once you have Instagram updated and ready to go, let's go ahead and open up the app. So I'm going to show you how to switch your current account to a business account and then add a brand new business account on Instagram. So first, if you already have a profile and like to switch it to a business account, right here, we're going to hit edit profile, and then we're going to hit switch to a professional account. And then go through the steps of doing all that. But let's go ahead and start. Let's go ahead and do a brand new Instagram account. So we're gonna hit the lines in the top right here. Let's go to the first option, settings and privacy. We're gonna go up here to search and look up account. And right here it'll say add a new professional account. Let's press on that. And here we're gonna go continue through all these. You're going to pick your niche/category that you'd like. You can either link a phone number or email. It's gonna ask for a full name. Go ahead and punch that in. Here you enter your password. Here you punch in your birthday. Add your display/username right here. And once you click sign up, you have successfully created your business account.